Hi, I'm just trying to go live with Charu, and she just. I just can't see her request. I can see Positive Pro's request. Wait, where do I have to go, Charu? No, your request is not coming. Yes, yes, Positive Pro.
Thank you so much. And you know how delighted I am that we are able to do this today. Happy
Thank you, Charu.
Mother's
Thank
Day,
you so
Poonam
much.
ji, and happy Mother's Day to everybody who's watching us. आज मेरा lucky day हो गया है.
थैंक यू सो मच. सॉरी, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था चारू के साथ लाइव जाना है या चारू के पॉजिटिव प्रोजेक्ट के साथ लाइव जाना है. चारू जी, it looks wonderful. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to all of us and all the people here. Uh, Thank you.
So, first of all, this is through the Positive Project because I'll tell you why. Everybody knows Poonam Mahajan, the politician, because you're a very private person. So, all your work is in the public domain for everybody to see, but not many people have glimpsed the other side of your life. So, the part of your life where you're a homemaker, where you're a mother to two wonderful children I'm very fond of, and you're a daughter to another wonderful mother. And I thought today for Mother's Day, let's discuss the aspect of your life that we cannot otherwise. And I thought I'll also be a little cheeky, take advantage of the situation, and poke a bit with questions so that everybody knows the wonderful behind the scenes life you live, how crazy it is, how fulfilling it is, and how difficult it gets sometimes for a parliamentarian, for a national leader to also be a full-time hands-on mom.
I think it's a blessing. I always believe that some people are blessed to hold on to something. So I find it as a blessing. And sometimes I really find it as a curse by evening because you're tired. लेकिन फिर से सुबह उठ के I feel it's a blessing because motherhood is not only about these two children I'm taking care of. Motherhood is all about the feeling you have it inside you. And that feeling for every woman is very natural to have. बच्चे हो बच्चे ना हो uh, वो मातृत्व का भाव जो होता है, the feeling of motherhood is very natural in us. And I think doing so many things together, uh, women are made for this. Women can do 100 things at one go. Maybe men can't, which is a natural thing. But I hope I can answer all your questions. I don't know how much I can answer, but I'll try my best.
No, I'm going to start now. So my first question is this. Uh, it's not a question, it's an observation. I know this for a fact. Every time you go to parliament, and because, like I already said, you're a very reserved person, not very easily wanting to speak to the media or, be at the front of headlines. But the only time I have seen the news people not chase you is when Avika goes to parliament with you. I think that's the only time nobody wants to even talk to you, and all the cameras are focused on little Avika. Everybody wants to talk to her, get a picture with her, and she's such a little star. And I know how difficult it is sometimes when you've taken a little girl out in public, and you are a young mom with such a tiny little child. Up to fir bhi, it's been 6 years that you've been a parliamentarian, but let's go back 6 years when little Avika had not even celebrated her second birthday, and you were in parliament for the first time, and she was not used to being without her mother at all. How were those days for you?
I think those days are similar even now. as a mother,
Yeah.
because my
Yeah.
teenage son also, I started my career when Adya, my son, who's 15 now, he was just 1 year old, because I lost my father at that time. We started working. So with him, then slowly, when I got settled, I got Avika in my life after 8 years. And then with both the children, as a mother, वो 2 साल के हो, 1 साल के हो या 25 साल के हो, you just can't live without them, because that is what this is how your connect is. Even when Avika was not even 1 years old, I had to go through a lot to gain my position, to work hard. और उसके बाद I got my ticket from a very difficult constituency. People made sure to make me realize that I'm going to lose. And I made a very wrong decision. I said, no, I believe I'm going to go forward. She was just a year old, and it was difficult, but I think my children also gave me that support. My mother, who took care of them. And being a mother is always a fight inside your heart. You're always fighting and feeling that you're not doing it correct. But I think after some time, when your children really give back that love and trust you, and I love the way my daughter says, Mom, you're PM. Mom, you're Poonam Mahajan. Mom, you're a leader of my house. She doesn't know what it means, but she feels it's so good. And I
Yeah.
want to be like you. So you feel it looks good. I mean, my both children support my career and they're quite proud of me, which is great support. बट
Yeah.
इमोशनली बहुत दिक्कत होती है, बहुत ज्यादा. और ये लड़ाई चलती रहती है. ये आपकी भी लड़ाई है, मेरी भी लड़ाई है. हर माँ, काम करने वाली स्पेशली माँ, हर माँ तो बिल्कुल, बट द मदर who's working mothers, you can't help it. You just have to, by evening you're crying, you're feeling sad, and morning again you wake up and you work.
Yeah, you're right about that, because for the rest of the world, they only see a working mother going to work every day, or in your case, going to parliament every day. They don't understand how difficult it is for her to be away from her children for weeks altogether, come back home to complaints on the phone, deal with that peacefully. Also, understand you have a responsibility towards your constituents, towards thousands like me who work in the youth wing with you. We're all calling, hounding multiple times a day. So that's one struggle I think everybody should know about, that for any mom to leave her children and go to work, it doesn't matter what she does, is very difficult. And I also want to take a moment to say that when we are talking about Corona warriors, we have talked to all sorts of people with all sorts of professional backgrounds. It's very unfortunate that there's not a lot of focus on the politicians who are on the ground, who are working night and day 24/7 since the first sound of crisis. You're one such politician. I know, and I can say this without a doubt, all my youth wing colleagues can say this, that you worked harder than possibly even during election time in the last 2 months. You're just working. So, you're also a frontline warrior. You're a frontline warrior who's also a mom who comes home to cranky children. And so someone sent me a very interesting question. Our dear Aditi wants to know, Aditi Pai. She says, you're a wonderful mom, and you are such good friends with your children, and that rapport is visible, in all the pictures also, especially with Adya, who's a teenager now, and he's away from you and studying
I don't
away
know
from
if with a teenage boy, a mother can be a friend or not friend becomes very difficult, because
Yeah.
depends on the little older getting mother's hormones and a teenage hormones. So it's a fight between two hormones all the time.
No, but you strike a balance. So how do you strike a balance between being a friend and being a mother?
Uh, Actually, I don't know. Sometimes we really don't strike a balance. Sometimes my mother has to find a balance in between me and my son, in between our
Yeah.
fights.
I
Actually,
think your
Adya
mother
was
is
born
mother
very
to
early in my life.
everyone, right, Poonamji? Like
Gee,
Rekha
sorry.
auntie is mother to everybody.
She's the real mother, actually. That's why I put the mothership of us. And she's the one who's really calm. I don't know how she stays so calm, and I really don't understand how it works. I really tried my best. But with my son, maybe I had him really early in my life. So we are more of friends. And friends, you know how it is. Friends fight a lot also.
Yeah.
So we have our on and off, but he's such an intelligent and brilliant boy. I enjoy those fights also. Of course, it really drains you, it drains him, it drains me. But maybe we are teaching each other many, many things.
Yeah.
So, mothers with teenage boys, teenage children, it's a very different roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
The child also is going through the same roller coaster. The parents also don't understand what we are doing. और ये teenage बच्चे millennials हैं, नए हैं, वो कुछ अलग है हमसे. जो हम करते थे कि कभी पेरेंट्स ने गुस्सा किया तो हर वक्त सर नीचे करके हमें सिर्फ विषय खत्म करना होता था, सॉरी सॉरी, और भाग जाते थे.
हाँ.
बच्चे अभी डिस्कस करते हैं कि गलती किसकी है कभी कभी. So it becomes very difficult at that time because to deal with it, because that's also right. That's right. That dialogue is right. I don't strike any balance between me and my son, but we try our best to strike that balance, and it comes out very good. Maybe I'm just open to a lot of ideas in life. I read, I look around, I really try. I do discipline also quite strongly because हम कंजर्वेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस से ओपन थॉट प्रोसेस के बीच में हम वो फ्रिंज पे फंसे हुए हैं. तो उस
हाँ.
फ्रिंज को
That's
अच्छे
very
ढंग से
well said.
संभालना भी बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज हमारी संस्कृति जो हमें बहुत अच्छा सिखाती है, और जिस संस्कृति को बच्चे और आगे ले जाना चाहते हैं, which they actually don't believe in any kind of Sanskriti, they believe in humanity. Their concepts are very different nowadays, young age people. And if we don't understand that, that means हम कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं. तो that is the striking balance, which half the time is not balanced.
Yeah. No, and I also know when your son is as intelligent and articulate as Adya is, and as sensitive as Adya is, he takes a lot of effort to make you realize नहीं नहीं मेरी तो कोई गलती है ही नहीं, और आपने मुझे unnecessary डांट दिया है and आप मेरी बात समझती नहीं हो. So that just goes on, and I think it's tougher when your son is so far away from you. And I don't know if many people know about this, but when the corona crisis started, Poonam ji's young son, who's studying in a boarding school, was not with her. He was abroad, and when he had to fly back home, when the school shut down, usko jab ghar aana tha, I think the 2 days before he got onto a flight and she got him home was so tough for her. Sleepless nights like any other mother, and sleepless nights as a politician as well, because the pressure of work was so new. Because at least I think now we've all settled down with corona, we've kind of become used to this life, but with the new lockdown and evacuation flights happening, your child being away from you for the first time, because he's so young, he's just gone away from the first time, that I remember to be difficult.
No, it's difficult. And I must tell you, in my constituency, there are a lot of children who are studying abroad, who are 14 and 15 years old in their boarding schools. And I think today one more girl has come. I feel like a mother. I felt so good. मैं पूरे महीने भर से मैं ही चिंता में थी. She lives in Santa Cruz. कि वो बच्चा वापस कैसे आएगा, उसके बाद वो क्वारंटीन होने वाला. How, I mean, there's so many people who have come down in my constituency, younger students who are just 18, 19 years old. The parents don't have that connect how other parents must be having. And you really feel, not only my son, I feel for every child who is stuck somewhere. Maybe that's the motherly instinct we're talking about on Mother's Day, that वो दिल में बहुत दर्द होता है कि किसी का भी बच्चा कहीं फंस ना जाए. और इस लॉकडाउन में what I've realized, of course you said it in last question, that 5 साल का काम 2 महीने में करना पड़ रहा है, because now everything is a priority. Though somebody wants food, somebody wants medical help, somebody wants anything, even sabzi, now it's become a priority. So handling those priority and then getting people back, supporting it, it was difficult. See, as a mother, I feel we are stronger women. And my daughter on Women's Day gifted me something which I'll show you to you on my other phone. She gave me this phone holding thing. I don't know what this is called, but it says the future is female.
Yeah.
So it's very well put up, maybe very well. I think ये मैंने बहुत अच्छा bringing up किया बच्चों में, कि they believe that as I've read it somewhere, there won't be in future female leaders or male leaders. They'll be just leaders. But it is wonderful to be a female, because you have now, when you look around, see Germany with Germany's chancellor, you see New Zealand, you see women leaders taking over, and the way they're handling corona and the way they're taking it forward. I feel women now, their compassion, their love is not vulnerability. Now it's strength for them, for their leadership. So now leadership also needs a woman's value, like compassion and vulnerability, that love, that feeling for people. And I think that actually makes us stronger as women. So as a mother, that also makes me stronger, that I'm not only a mother of 2, I'm mother of many other people, not mother as mother, but motherly figure for many other people. And if that instinct I have, I am blessed and I must do my duty.
And Poonamji has this habit, you know, she will collect people who feel out of place, and she'll give them a place in her heart and her home. I, everybody who knows you knows this. So Poonamji has a tribe of people who are kind of, I use myself for example. So when there was a time when I felt like a misfit, she will open up her house, she will open up her heart, and she'll say, we are your family and you don't need to worry. And I think she does it for so many people. There's this big group of people who looks up to you, not age wise, because it's not age. I think it's that nurturing nature that you have. And one more thing I wanted to discuss with you today is, and we've never talked about this, how similar is your parenting style to Rekha aunties, your mothers? So, you know, they say when women, they grow up, they start behaving more and more like their mothers. Uh, Quite honestly, if somebody told me that, I'd be very, very horrified. But I see similarities because you grew up doing 20 activities, always being busy after school, making sure your co-curriculars are one after the other. And Avika seems to be growing up in a very similar way, forever busy.
Yeah, I keep her busy. So I keep myself busy. I am busy, so I have to keep my children busy. So we all are busy at the same time. And then we all get some time together much later. And it teaches you, know, yes, my mother used to keep me busy with a lot of extracurricular activities, but I'm not at all like my mother. That's the only achievement I wanted to somewhere come close by. But no, she's such a calm, I mean, she's calm, she doesn't fight, she always tries to find a balance. She's even balanced in eating. मतलब मैं 30 साल से मेरी माँ को देख रही हूँ, 35 साल से, अभी almost 39. She's not eaten after a certain, you know, एक रोटी या डेढ़ रोटी. My mother has so much of control on herself, which is, I always tell her, she's a saint. I cannot be like my mother. And if I am even 5% like her, I will really achieve much better. Calmer me will do better. I'm always anxious. I try to calm myself down, but I wish I could be like my mother. It would have helped me more.
But a mother in lockdown, hats off, with young Adya, who's a teenager, so he wants to go out and he wants to meet his friends, and little Avika, who's used to having her life full of activity, her ballet class, her art class, meeting friends below the building after school every evening, all of that, plus a lockdown, locked up in one house together. How's it going?
It's fun, actually.
Yeah.
Sometimes they do drive me
And two
mad, but
dogs.
not
So
so
it's
mad.
two children, two
Two
dogs,
dogs, one
husband,
turtle,
mother.
some yeah, everyone at home. Yes, but actually we balance it pretty well. And though lockdown has really put us all together, I always say this is a learning experience for all of us. With my daughter, every evening I go down. This is actually my time to go down and feed our 3, 4 stray dogs. This is her passion to help stray dogs. So we have a lot of activities together, though it's not very much outside the house. But we just finished some paintings for Mother's Day. She wanted to do some abstract painting. My son was writing some songs because he's a songwriter. So thankfully, everyone has some kind of, you know, interest in doing reading, writing. और मैंने किया क्या इस समय में, मैंने उसको थोड़ा और उजागर करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I'm just pushing everyone to that boundary that God has given us this bad time to turn into a good time in life. तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं, बहुत कुछ महारत सीखनी है हमें, but something which we can do little bit together, it's wonderful. We go down for walks and my daughter's always feeding the dogs, my son is there, we chat, fight, and on and off going on. We are, as family, all of us are together, my husband, my mother, my 2 children, my dogs. We are actually spending good time together. And I think this lockdown has taught us a lot in 2 different ways. One is, as humanity, till the time we are not together, we cannot win this. And तो वो तो घर से ही शुरू करने पड़ेगा. We have to be together to fight this and win this. So that's very important.
Another story, which, with your permission, I'd like to share with everyone who's watching us today and who'll watch us later on Facebook. A couple of days back, I was speaking to Poonamji, and I don't know, I think I must have mentioned some movie to her. And I asked her, have you watched it? And she said, no, I haven't watched it, but I will. And then she went on to tell me that she's been watching everything on her phone these days. She's not been watching things on the big television in the house because she leaves it for Avika. And it struck me then that there are so many small little things mothers do every single day in our lives. You're doing every single day in your life to make Avika's life slightly more comfortable. It's not that you cannot watch TV. It's just that you'd rather take a sacrifice onto yourself or give up on something yourself than take it away from your child. तो फोन पे आप देखोगे मूवी, लेकिन आप अविका का कंफर्ट या अविका को कार्टून देखना है, you don't want to take that away from her.
But that's everyone. I think it's all of us. You, me, my mother.
No, I fight with my son. I snatch the remote from my son and I tell him, no more games for you. It's my turn.
Thank God we have 2 rooms. My son, I don't have to fight with. So that's the only thing which is safe. But, at the end, we all have to give, and whatever we lost in our lives, we want them to achieve more. So maybe वो कुछ ना कुछ बातों पे हम लोग ध्यान देते हैं. और ये छोटी, like my mother, she wanted to act. My mother used to act in drama, and she and my father met actually in college, and where my mother was playing my father's sister. और उन लोग का ये ड्रामा था, और उस ड्रामा में 2-3 ऐसे ड्रामा साथ में किए थे उन्होंने. नाटक कंपनी थी उनकी कॉलेज में, और वो मिले. After that, of course, she got married. Emergency हुई. My father was in jail for 2 years. My mother had to handle a lot of things, and of course, बच्चे ये वो looking into this. But my mother then made sure what she lost in her life. So I was top in drama in school. I used to, I couldn't speak as a speaker. जो मैं आज भाषण करती मैं पहले नहीं करती थी. I used to perform a lot of other things. She made me learn different sports. She pushed me to do more that what she couldn't do. I think we all want to take back, that back seat when our children are there, that they should actually get more and do well. मुझे लगता है हर माँ की इच्छा होती है, मुझसे ज्यादा मुझे हर माँ बाप की इच्छा होती है. It's not only mother, बाप की भी इतनी इच्छा होती है हमसे ज्यादा हम अपने बच्चों को कैसे दें और उससे ज्यादा वो कितना अच्छा करे. So yeah, but I watch a lot of good things on my phone. My phone is my best friend. Flights में भी उनको इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. I download a lot of documentaries. That's my pastime, but that is maybe late in the night. मैं सोती थोड़ा आजकल लेट हूँ, but उठती बहुत जल्दी हूँ. But I watch all these things. This lockdown has given me more time to watch some interesting things.
So tell us 2 things that all of us must watch.
Oh God. Abhi maine, first of all, I've been telling all of you on the video chat with all my Yuva Morcha people that fabulous work all of you doing with hashtag BJYM Cares, and thanks to you, Charu. It's fabulous. Everyone are saying that I don't know if we are frontline workers, as even I've been saying, as a political party, we are trying to show the real humanity and a social work, socio-political concept, and we are working for people. At that time also, I told all of you to watch something. To understand this pandemic, there is a very nice documentary explained on Netflix that how actually pandemic's history has happened, that I had watched. Now I'm actually watching Story of God by Morgan Freeman. So I downloaded that documentary and it's fabulous. And I had told you, remember a few days back, we had a video conference and I asked all of you, please tell me what you're watching so I can actually take those different shows. Actually, 99% of all those shows I did watch at night. So
Yeah.
Did you watch Spy? मैंने कितना पुराना बोल रहा, वो तो लॉकडाउन के पहले का था. So whatever late night I get 2-3 hours, I binge watch on all these things because दिन भर काम इतना होता है. Yes, I mean, Story of God is quite interesting to understand religion, how they're looking at it, people and their belief. I found it quite interesting by Morgan Freeman. He's one of my favorite actors. So World War documentaries, must watch.
I'm scrolling through all the comments and questions that we are getting. I see a comment from Arsh Mugre. Arsh has been one of the kids that you've known for a very long time. You've mentored him. He's saying Poonamji has been like a mother to me. I was also 14 when I was moving to Delhi for the first time, and she looked after me. So Arsh is remembering you.
I miss him too, Arsh, and he's a brilliant boy, future of the nation. Anybody who's putting messages, I believe all of you are future of my country. and whatever I can do to support. Of course, I cannot cancel. Someone has just put up a thing. दीदी हमारी last minute
Exactly.
exam cancel करा दो. भाई कुछ ज्यादा हो गया. इतना भी माता रूपी प्यार नहीं दे पाऊंगी मैं.
नहीं, लेकिन
But
ये मैं बोल रही हूँ, भगवान करे पूनम जी reaches the highest highs there are in this world to touch, because there is no better person to be there. And I believe, someone who is not so concerned about reaching to the destination and focusing more on making sure the journey is correct, deserves to be
absolutely.
at the best destination.
Tell me something, Charu. Do you know your destination? You can just imagine for it. Do I know my destination? No. I have seen my father. I have seen in life everything changes in 1 second.
That's
It's
true.
better you don't plan something which uh, breaks you. It's much better that you find the journey, try to make it more and more positive. और मेरी जिंदगी में मैंने यही देखा है, मैंने जितना नेगेटिव थॉट से राजनीति में अपना काम करती गई, मैं फेल होती गई, और जितना मैं पॉजिटिवली सोचती गई, आई स्टार्टेड एक्सेप्टिंग इवन माय ओन मिस्टेक्स टू करेक्ट इट, और अदर पीपल हु आर वर्किंग विथ मी, एवरीबडी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. आखिरकार आप समझोगे जब वो इंसान है तो बहुत सारी चीजें सरल होती है, एंड दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स अस more.
If I can just touch upon one thing, which is not a very happy topic, but I think it's important for a time like today, because there are instances in life where you have to reconstruct yourself. Like right now, because of the corona pandemic, we are reconstructing ourselves, but you had to reconstruct yourself several times in life. The first one was probably when the country lost Pramodji. You, of course, lost a father, but the nation lost something which was very precious. And after that, you entered politics, and you
Lost
went
my
through,
election.
yes, you went through an election loss, and then you hung in there. You were strong. People who look at you today and see this very successful, bright young parliamentarian don't understand that she's only the tip of the iceberg. What you see today does not show the 10-15 years of struggle which is behind just entering parliament. So how do you reconstruct yourself when you reach that breaking point and you say ab nahi ho raha, and you've done it many times.
I don't know इतनी बार होता क्यों है, लेकिन बिल्कुल हो
है ना,
चुका है.
टच
I
वुड,
think
भगवान ना करे
yes.
आगे कभी हो.
I mean, you have also gone through so much in your life. We all go through with our personal defeats, with our professional defeats. My father used to say, I think I saw my father quite strong. As I told you, my mother is very positive. And my father's seen so many defeats. See, my father's career was really quick. He came in this world, worked hard, and he went really early in his life. So all that BJP's career, when I see ups and downs, and now also we see his famous speeches, the way he was. I've seen he won his election only once in his entire career, which was 1996. But we lost the government in 13 days, and my father was very sad. फिर से वो चुनाव में खड़े रह गए और हार गए. But when it was an interesting, I must tell you, example. I can give you so many of his examples. Maybe it just comes in. आप देख के सीखते हो या कहीं ना कहीं imbibe होता है. So TV चल रहा था तभी ज़्यादा चैनल नहीं होते थे 98 में, and he saw first 2 rounds of votes coming up.
Counting.
vote पड़े हुए. And in counting, he just took out the pen and paper. He sat in second round. Nobody comes to know anything. Even Charu, you know, and I know. It becomes such a difficult war when we are
Yeah.
It becomes difficult, and it's the most stressful time. But then I started writing. My father started writing it, and in the third round, he said, "I'm losing." He shuts his book, goes in his room, sits for 15 minutes, takes a cold glass of water, calls Honorable our all favorite Atal ji and says, "Atal ji, मैं चुनाव पक्का हार रहा हूँ, मैं दिल्ली आ रहा हूँ, आगे की रणनीति कैसे करनी है." Now this is only an example of his election. You know, when election loss, I took it in 2009. It took weeks for me to even recover from believing, though I knew I will lose. But to recover from that loss is a very difficult. लोग 5 साल लगाते हैं हारने के बाद भी सोचने के लिए politically. When I saw my father like that, maybe it's just you learn from it. And I've always been like this. And I've seen so many, even in school, so many downs. Then I say, nahi, ye meri end nahi ho sakti. This cannot be my end. Maybe I've seen it in my family, in my father like that. You learn from it, maybe. Kahin na kahin seekh jate ho. Yeah, I've seen. So in Marathi they say अपयशा यशाची पहिली पायरी अपयश असतं. तर maybe first defeat always teaches you. And my father used to put this small poster from Archie store, which used to say, "No defeat is final until you stop trying."
Yes.
So you cannot stop trying because the defeat will be final. So maybe all that my father used to just put it somewhere around. सीख गए, बिल्कुल सीख गए, और इससे और ताकत मिलती है.
Yeah. Snehal says, how do you remember everybody's name? Even I wonder that.
Hi
So you
Snehal,
are
how
the
are you
president
doing?
of the youth wing. 70% of our country is youngsters. You are heading the youth wing of the largest democracy in the world, the largest political party in the world, with the maximum young population, and you remember everybody's name. आप ये कैसे कर लेते हो?
Thoda bahut. I mean, I also forget. It's not like that. This memory is quite great because it's been too much work on the head. Of course, people who put in a lot of good work, and I believe मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा था you're busy, आप कैसे संभाल पाते हो, आप नाम कैसे याद कर पाते हो, आप ये कैसे फला कर पाते हो. I believe जो कहते हैं पॉलिटिक्स में या कहीं पे भी I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy, वो सबसे खाली इंसान होते हैं. Life has to be, because my father never told me, Poonam, I'm busy. He used to say, okay, Poonam, today I have work. If I'll say, Papa, let's have some dinner together, या कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, Baba will do this. He'll say, बेटा ये 2 दिन मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, तीसरे दिन इस 6:30 बजे हम मिलेंगे, हम खाना साथ में खाएंगे. So this is called डिसिप्लिन. और हर चीज को एक टाइम टेबल पे जिंदगी जीनी पड़ती है. तो आपको सब आसान है. मतलब स्नेहिल क्या करता है ट्विटर पे ये भी मैं देखती हूँ, क्या नहीं करता है ये भी मुझे पता चलता है.
हमको जय वीरू बोल रहे हैं. कुछ थोड़ा अच्छा बोल
I
देना
hope I'm
please.
not Jay because I don't want that end to happen. So I love Jay, and I would love to be taller and smarter. But
Yeah.
what I'm trying to say is, I remember people doing good work, and it's my duty to remember my team members who are doing such a fabulous work. मैं अपने लोगों को भूल जाऊंगी तो मेरी खुद का अस्तित्व नहीं रहेगा. So मैं सबको याद रखना ये मेरा कर्तव्य है.
यूथ विंग के लिए बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं कि बहुत ही इनोवेटिव सा यूथ विंग है. जो मोदी जी के आने के बाद जो बीजेपी का यूथ विंग री इन्वेंट हुआ है, इट इज नॉट टिपिकल. एंड आई थिंक 100% ऑफ दैट क्रेडिट गोज टू अ लीडर who thinks out of the box, who's told each and every person in her team that don't focus on politics, focus on doing good around you and the politics will come to you on your own. So abhi kisi ne ye kuch likha bhi tha, BJYM doing good work, and I just want to talk about that because yes, BJYM is doing such amazing work. I am so blessed, I am so lucky, I am a part of Poonam ji's team, but the team has moved above and beyond पॉलिटिकल काम. जो एक टिपिकल यूथ विंग का एक पॉलिटिकल एक काम करने का पर्व्यू होता है पूनम जी, your youth wing has never been like that. It has always been out of the box. You've had interns, you've had legal aid clinics opening up, you've got a blood helpline, which is not something that a normal youth wings can even dream of achieving. BJYM Cares, of course, is doing such good work. So under your leadership, youth wing is not purely political. I think we are so much more.
We should be actually thankful to two people. One, personally, I'm grateful to my father because I saw him working this way. Because my father always used to say every youngster in this country should be somewhere, take little part of politics, because politicians make policies which decide your life. हर देश का भवितव्य वही राजनीति में रहने वाले लोग वही पॉलिसी बना के हमारी सबकी जिंदगी बनाते हैं. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम कहीं ना कहीं जाके उस राजनीति का हिस्सा बने, बाहर से अंदर से पेरिफेरी में रह के. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Or that always used to be in my mind that whenever I get that opportunity, of course that time I never thought of politics, but that came in my mind when I got youth wing opportunity. I became president when Amit Bhai Shah called me. I was so happy. I told Amit Bhai, I will never make you feel कि मैं कुछ अलग नहीं कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि this is what we learned from our Prime Minister. From 2013, Prime Minister Modi, when he started his campaign connecting with people, that connection only showed that millennial wanted a leader like him. and that connect and the kind of platforms he used, it was not only purely political, it was about the country's atma, country's soul. और उस आत्मा को उन्होंने छुआ, हर युवाओं के ड्रीम्स को उन्होंने छुआ, हर युवाओं की आशा और अपेक्षाओं को उन्होंने छुआ। और आज भी सोशल मीडिया हो, मिलेनियल्स हो, लोग मोदी जी जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं, बिकॉज ही कुड कनेक्ट विद पीपल, ही वांटेड दैट टू हैपन, दैट एवरीवन शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस कंट्रीज ग्रोथ। और हर कोई उस देश के भविष्य में अपना भी भवितव्य जोड़ रहा है और प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ जोड़ रहा है, उनकी सुन रहा है। तो मुझे लगता है फिर ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री जी की भारतीय जनता पार्टी का युवा मोर्चा भी अलग होना चाहिए। पहले बहुत बार हम पॉलिटिकली सारी पार्टियां ये सोचते थे 2013 से पहले कि अध्यक्ष कार्यकर्ता को बोलेगा, कार्यकर्ता कार्यकर्ताओं से कार्यक्रम कराएंगे। आज कार्यकर्ता भी नए लोगों से जुड़ता है, अध्यक्ष भी नए लोगों से जुड़ता है, बिकॉज नाउ our country has become more aware. The youngsters in this nation, the kind of voting percentage has increased. The youngsters of these nations are now aware what they want, how they want it, and they know from where they get it. So जब ये सब वो जानते हैं, ऐसे लोगों से हम कनेक्ट नहीं रख पाएंगे, तो मुझे नहीं लगता हमारा ये जो हमारी आइडियोलॉजी है बीजेपी की, सोशियो पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजी, वो पूरी हो पाएगी। So I think we have done fabulous work, all of us together, and I'm really proud and I'm blessed to have a team, all of you as my team members in BJYM. I'm really happy. Past 3 years, we tried our best to connect with youth and reach out to people. The idea of India, the new India's idea, our Prime Minister has given it to India. We tried our best to connect that as a bridge.
And I think the coolest thing about your team is that you've got a bunch of people who don't come from typical political backgrounds. Like, I'm a professional turned politician now. I used to be practicing law. I think half the team is people who are experts in all different fields. They used to do all different kinds of jobs, and you've got them together and you've created a team which is doing different things. And of course, it's a lot of stress for you to handle. मुझको मालूम है, because बहुत बार मुझसे गलतियां हो जाती हैं, ढेरों गलतियां होती हैं, हाय राम, अब मैं सबको बता नहीं सकती कितनी होती हैं, but very patiently you'll always say, नहीं बाबा, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं होता, this is the way of doing it correctly, and you do it for everyone. I know for me, तो you must have done it, अगर सबको 1 dozen times पता है, तो between you and me, you must have done it like 100 times. Put me back on track and said, तू पागल हो गई है. This is how it's supposed to be done, and you follow, there's a way of doing things, and it's not very easy to get new people and make them understand a system which is set, because BJP has a way of working which is very set. And when someone comes from outside, I'll use myself as an example. I came from a corporate background. I was working in a law firm. It's so different, and you've managed to just kind of absorb us in, teach us, and they say a leader makes leaders. So I'm going to wrap up saying this about Poonam ji. A leader makes leaders, definitely, and that's why she's the best leader there is, because she only wants everybody to do well. Such a huge heart. She wants everybody to do well. Before we sign off, Poonam ji, if you can just give a message to all the mothers out there today, expecting mothers, young mothers, old mothers whose children have gone away to study, very old mothers जिनके घर बहुएं आ गई हैं, mothers like you and me who are working, who've got children going to school on their computers and iPads. Just a message to all the mothers, and then we'll sign off.
Thank you, Charuji. First of all, I'm very proud again with my BJYM team, and yet all of you with different backgrounds have come together and made BJP stronger, belief of Prime Minister stronger. That's why thank you to all of you, and thank you to all the people who are putting on messages.
Yeah.
I'm okay. कोरोना जब सब जगह हो रहा है, हम सब लड़ रहे हैं, आप भी साथ में लड़ रहे हो, इसलिए मैं आप सब लोग को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। मदर्स डे पे मैं हर वक्त कहती हूँ, मदर्स डे इज, मैं ट्वीट भी मैंने वैसी करने वाली थी, एवरी डे इज अ मदर्स डे। हर दिन प्रतिदिन सुबह उठ के बच्चों की चिंता करना, परिवार की चिंता करना। मुझे लगता है मदर सिर्फ बच्चों की माँ नहीं होती, बहुत सारे मैंने इतना देखा है कि पति की भी माँ रूपी बीवी बनती है, बहन छोटी हो बड़ी हो, वो माँ रूपी अपने भाई को देखती है। सो माँ का रूप सिर्फ बच्चों वाली माँ में नहीं होता, माँ का रूप हर महिला में होता है। मैं हर वक्त कहती हूँ कि वी हैव देवी, क्यों कहते हैं हमें महिलाओं में देवी की ताकत क्यों होती है, क्योंकि हम सरस्वती माँ के आशीर्वाद से सरस्वती देवी का रूप धारण करके बच्चों को पढ़ाते, आगे बढ़ाते, समाज बढ़ाते हैं। अन्नपूर्णा देवी का हम एक धारण करके उनको अच्छा खाना, पौष्टिक आहार देके उनको आगे बढ़ाते हैं। और कोई अपने घर पे नजर बड़ी भी करके देखे तो काली माँ के रूप से हम चंडी बन के अपनी ताकत दिखाते हैं। ये ताकत महिलाओं में है। दिस इज हाउ women are. So we are made so strongly. I'm nobody to give a message to any mother. I just want to tell that mother, I am here for you. This is a woman to woman conversation. That yes, yet there are so many challenges we face. There is so many गुड्स एंड बैड्स, देयर आर सो मेनी। मैं कहती हूँ ना, मान और अपमान दोनों भी होता है महिलाओं का, माँ होके भी। ये सब करके भी वो शाम में ये सोचती नहीं, हाउ डू आई मेक इट बेटर फॉर माई चाइल्ड, हाउ डू आई मेक इट बेटर। मैंने एक ट्वीट पढ़ा, वो जो अपनी शूटर दादी है, इस सारी नालायक और बिन नालायक औलादों को हैप्पी मदर्स डे। आई फाउंड इट सो हिलेरियस बिकॉज you know all are our children and we want the best for them and everybody puts in। हर माँ अपनी कोशिश करती है, कोई भी माँ सही और गलत नहीं होती, नो कोई बच्चा गलत या सही होता है, बट यही कोशिश हम जारी रखेंगे। जिस प्रकार से अभी पूरा देश, पूरी दुनिया लड़ रही है, उसमें भी माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए देखती है कि मेरा बच्चा स्वस्थ रहे। तो उसी माँ के सारे बच्चे स्वस्थ रहे, उन बच्चों की सारी माएं स्वस्थ रहे, हम स्वस्थ रह के एक बहुत अच्छे रूप से सकारात्मक भाव से इस लड़ाई से बाहर निकले और फिर हमारे देश के भवितव्य को, स्पेशली इन इंडिया, अ यंग नेशन नीड्स अ डायरेक्शन, और उस डायरेक्शन को लेके हम आगे बढ़े। हर माओ को, उनको मैं पूरी तरह से धन्यवाद भी देना चाहती हूँ कि आप रोज लड़ते एक माँ के रूप ही, और आप हर वक्त हारते नहीं है। सो माँ ही हारती नहीं है, माँ हर वक्त जीतने की लड़ाई में रहती है। सो हर माँ को गुड लक, विन एंड ऑलवेज विन। आप भी माँ हो, आपको भी गुड लक, as your son is a very good child, so it's less problem, but it's been a wonderful journey.
He's a very good child to you because he adores you so much.
All other
so children
are good to, so all the children are good not to their mothers but to their aunts and aunties. चलो वो चल जाएगा, but that's how actually that's the upbringing. अपनी माँ से हम कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, लेकिन बच्चा जब बाहर जाके अच्छा रहता है तो यही माँ की परवरिश दिखती है कि बच्चा बहुत अच्छी तरह से परवरिश हुई है उसकी। So that shows how a mother is putting in. So I'm really grateful to be a mother, have the motherly instinct, and I'm very happy to connect with you, Charu. आज का दिन बहुत अलग है और इस दिन को लेके हम कुछ अलग बातें कर रहे हैं। मुझे पता नहीं आपके हर बातों का मैं जवाब दे पाई कि नहीं, लेकिन it was a very different conversation which
I'm blessed we got a chance to do this. I'm so blessed, I'm so lucky because like I said in the beginning, you just let your work speak for you. It is very rarely that you'll talk about your struggles and behind the scenes strength that you every single day imbibe new. Every morning you get up and you find your strength anew. So I'm blessed. Publicly I'm saying this, I love you so much. You're the best. And thank you so much for doing this. The whole team of Positive Project is delighted.
I'm very happy. Positive Project is doing a fabulous work. We are, again मैं कह रही हूँ, सकारात्मक भाव अपनी सोसाइटी में आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो। I'm so happy. I'm very happy that with politics we're doing something which is required for the humanity, and we all have to come together and work. Thank you so much, Charu ji. Thank you, Charu.
Take care. Bye.